In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up MetaTrader 5 indicators. If you're new to MT5, indicators are tools that help you analyze price action, spot trends, and time entries and exits. MetaTrader 5 gives you two main ways to get indicators onto your chart, using the built-in library that comes with the platform and installing custom indicators you download. I'll also show you a quick way to edit settings so your charts look exactly how you want. Let's start with the fastest method, the built-in indicators. With MT5 open, go to the top menu and choose Insert, then Indicators. You'll see categories like Trend, which includes moving average and Bollinger Bands, oscillators such as RSI, MACD, and Stochastic, plus Volume and Bill Williams tools. Pick the category, select the indicator you want, and a settings window will appear. Here you can adjust things like the calculation period, colors, line style, and levels. When you're happy, click OK, and the indicator will appear on your chart. For example, to add the relative strength index, go to Insert, Indicators, Oscillators, and choose RSI. Oscillators usually show up in a sub-window, while trend indicators often overlay the price chart. Another quick option is the Navigator panel. Press Ctrl+N to open it. Expand the Indicators section, then drag an indicator directly onto your chart. The same settings window will pop up so you can fine-tune parameters before you click OK. This is a great way to browse everything installed in your platform without digging through menus. If you've downloaded a custom indicator file, either .mq5 or .ex5, you can install it in a few clicks. With MT5 open, go to File and select Open Data Folder. In the window that appears, open the MQL5 folder, then the Indicators folder. Paste your indicator file into that folder. Close the window and restart MetaTrader 5 so it can load the new file. When MT5 reopens, go to Navigator, open Indicators, and you'll find the new tool listed. Drag it onto your chart, adjust settings, and click OK. If you want to tweak an indicator later, right-click anywhere on the chart and choose Indicators List. Select the one you want to change and click Properties. From here, you can modify colors, levels, and calculation periods to match your strategy or make the display easier to read. Take a moment to experiment with settings and avoid overcrowding your chart. Start simple, check how indicators behave across different time frames, and refine from there.